Kirtland.
Hi, I'm Wendy. Hello, I'm Lucia.
Welcome
What are we baking today?
Cake. Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake! Okay, we're gonna start with 2 cups of cocoa powder.
I'm gonna do the cocoa powder. Don't we gotta measure it all up?
There's 1 cup. 2 cups of cocoa powder. 4 cups of sugar.
I'm gonna do this to it so that can get
1.
Oh.
Good job.
I'm going to put that right there.
Now
Actually.
we'll do
4 cups.
1 cup of oil. Here you go, Brandon. That's a lot of oil, huh?
Do
Now
I get to go
we
last?
need 4 eggs.
How about all of us do some eggs?
Good job. There's 1.
Where
Put
should
them
I
in here.
put this?
In here.
Now I gotta wash my hands.
2,
We're all
3,
And look at my eggy hand.
4. Good job. We have 2 cups of boiling water.
I'm gonna mix.
We need 4 teaspoons of vanilla.
how many teaspoons?
4. 1,
1,
2,
2, 4.
3½ cups of flour. Two. Good
Whoa,
job.
I covered all the stuff, all that.
There's still some milk.
Okay, now we need 3 teaspoons of baking powder. 3. Now we need 3 teaspoons of baking
That's me.
soda. 3.
3.
And
Is it
we
time?
need 2 teaspoons salt. 2. So we'll mix it and then we'll do the sour cream, okay? Okay, now we need 2 cups of sour cream. Here you go, 1.
Oh. But do I get a stir? Mom, do I get a stir?
Yeah, you'll get to stir.
Yes. I'm gonna lick 2 cups.
Hey, we didn't even need to use this one.
And that one's slimier, Mom.
Now we're gonna bake the cake at 350 degrees for 28 to 35 minutes. Oh, you guys, our cake has been baked and it's cooled off. Who's ready to try some?
Daddy, Mommy.
Eat some cake, Jordan. What do you guys think?
Yum.
I'm just out of the back.